We'll discuss about the includes method from JavaScript. What this method will do, this method will return true if a specified value is present in an array. Let me create a function called check fruits. I'll pass a fruit name. We'll see whether the fruit name is present in the array or not. So let's say this is a list of fruits that we have, and then it is checking whatever the fruits name that we are passing, whether this array, which is fruits, includes the fruit name. So now let me put some console.log where I am checking fruits, where first I'll pass banana, and I will copy the same line, and this time I'll pass another fruit, let's say grape. So now if I execute the one here for the first time, for the first one, when I'm passing banana, since banana is already part of the array, so includes method is returning true. In the second one, in the second example or second console.log, where I'm passing grape, since grape is not part of this array, so it's returning false. So this is the way how you can use the includes method to find out whether a specified value is present in the array or not.